What's up, y'all? It's your girl, She Nurses. Y'all know it's the weekend, so you know what I'm getting ready to do. But I wanted to come through and talk to you quickly, shoot you 2 or 3 videos. This one is about Miya Marcano. Several channels and news media outlets have been discussing this. It's the 19-year-old from Orlando, Florida that has been missing for I'm thinking about over a week now, going on 2 weeks. So let's listen.
So good afternoon. Obviously, this is not the update that I wanted to give to everyone today. Earlier today, the Orange County Sheriff's Office Emergency Response Team was searching the area of Timberscan Apartments that's off of South Texas Avenue in Orange County, and that's when they discovered a body we believe to be that of Miya Marcano. About an hour ago, detectives notified Mia's parents of our tragic news. Our hearts are broken. I told you Thursday that hundreds of Orange County Sheriff's Office personnel were committed to this case and working very hard. Everyone wanted this outcome to be different. So why were we at Timberscan Apartments? So cell phone records showed us that Caballero was in or near the Timberscan Apartments on Friday evening between 8 and 9 o'clock. That's the evening that she was reported missing. And he was there for about 20 minutes. Nothing in the records indicate that he ever returned there prior to killing himself. So we sent search teams out first thing this morning. That's when they found what we believe to be Miya. And although we are very certain of the identity, the positive identification will have to come from the medical examiner's office. At this time, we cannot identify a cause of death, so I don't want to speculate on that. The most important thing right now is that unfortunately we have found what we believe to be the remains of Miya. So I know many of you were in New Smyrna Beach yesterday, as we were there for a day and a half, and the reason we were so focused on that area is because, again, cell phone records directed us to that area and indicate the most activity in New Smyrna Beach.
So he's saying the maintenance man has killed himself, and now a new update is saying that they have found remains that are believed to be Miya Marcano.
In fact, he was there Saturday morning of the 25th between 3 and 4 a.m. for about an hour in that area. So that's why we were there for so long and focused a lot of our efforts there. So, as a community, as a sheriff, as a father, obviously we are grieving the loss of Miya. Again, we can't imagine the pain and anguish that Miya's parents, their family, the loved ones, and the friends, and really our entire community have gone through and will continue to go through. On behalf of the men and women of the Orange County Sheriff's Office, we offer our deepest condolences to Miya's parents, her family, and our loved ones. So I'll take some questions at this time.
Police believe a maintenance worker at Miya Marcano's apartment complex may be to blame for her disappearance. The 19-year-old was last seen on Friday. Tonight, her family is here from South Florida, begging for answers.
Miya is alive and she's suffering. I want my granddaughter home.
We're not leaving Orlando till we bring Miya home. We're not leaving Orlando without answers. We're not leaving Orlando until we take Miya out of here alive.
Miya was supposed to fly to Fort Lauderdale on Friday, but she never got on the plane.
Another shocking development. Deputies say that person of interest, Armando Caballero, killed himself. Fox 35 with live team coverage. Daniel Lama is live where Caballero was discovered. But we start with Dave Puglisi in Orlando. Dave, you spoke to the family today about the case.
Right, yes, we did, and we talked to them right outside here in front of the sheriff's department, and I can tell you that they're feeling a wide range of emotions as they search for answers.
Miya is still missing. Her disappearance is suspicious, And our detectives and the family members obviously suspect foul play.
The family of Miya Marcano flanking deputies inside and waiting anxiously outside of Orange County Sheriff's Office for updates.
We're not leaving Orlando till we bring Miya home.
Miya's family members drove from Fort Lauderdale to help search for their loved one now missing for 72 hours.
I am out there. I am pounding the beat looking.
Miya's family has been sleeping in their cars outside of her apartment at the Arden Villas in Orlando, where Miya was last seen at 5 p.m. Friday. They say they have started their own search as they grow more concerned every minute she's still out there.
I need answers.
And I just want to add that the family has started an Instagram page, Bring Miya Home, and it does have the contact information, how she looked, when she was last seen, and just the latest updates on the case, what they're doing on an almost daily basis to bring Miya home. So you can go check out their Instagram page.
Okay, that is what I want. They're not saying anything. And the longer we stay, the more difficult it's going to be to get Miya.
Sheriff Mina confirms the person of interest was Armando Manuel Caballero. He was a maintenance worker at the apartment since June. Sheriffs believe his master key fob was used to enter Miya's apartment before she went missing. Miya's aunt was very emotional as she issued this message directly to Miya.
We miss you and fight. We're here and we're waiting for you. Come. This family believes in God. We believe in hope and we have faith. As soon as you're ready, Miya, come. Give us the sign and we're right there. You know it. I love you, Miya.
The residents of this apartment complex are very, very, very upset. They are putting 100% of the blame on the apartment complex, saying that when they punch in the code to get through the gate, that the gate is staying open way too long. It's staying open long enough to let at least 5 cars go through before it starts closing again. And the residents, the apartment's manager or spokesperson said they have made some changes. They have a security guard sitting at the front entrance now to just log everyone going in and coming out, and maintenance is no longer allowed to just use their fob, whatever that's called, their fob, whatever they call that thing, that keyless entry to get in. They're no longer allowed to go in there and just walk in people's apartments. It is on a scheduled basis going forward. So I do appreciate that they're listening to the residents and they are understanding how serious this is. And I hope they are fully 1000% cooperating with the police in this matter. I initially caught wind of this case on Suzette Speaks. She is an attorney and I love her show. Please follow her, Suzette Speaks. She's spoken with one of the sisters of Miya. She has spoken with representatives in Florida State, and I just love her show. She's been on top of this and is keeping close contact with people directly related to this case. So please follow Suzette Speaks to get some of the latest details of the case. This is where I was informed of it on her channel. So please go follow her. She is very, very, very informative. I just love listening to Suzette speak her legal talk. Do you hear me? So, like I said, there is an Instagram page, Bring Miya Home, that the family started. And they do post almost daily on the latest things that they're doing or finding out. Lord knows. Me and so many others, I know thousands of you that are watching are praying that this body that they found is not Miya's. I really hope not. It just breaks my heart to even think about it. She just graduated last year, May of 2020. She's 19 years old, just getting her footing on life, just getting started. And that's some of the most saddest cases when it comes to children and young people that haven't even had a chance to even get started, with living their life to the fullest. So just keep her family in your prayers, and I will talk to you guys later. I love you. Bye.